Hey there everyone, and welcome back to This Is Our Way. Today we're working on this 2024 Sanibel. We're adding electrical outlets to it. It's a beautiful inside coach. The only complaint the owner has is that in the living area there is no electrical outlets to charge any of his devices. So that's what we're going to be adding today, is some new electrical outlets. I will leave the floor plan right up here so you can see that. Come along with me. We turn all of this into usable outlets for this coach. Okay, so for this, the two receptacles we're putting in, it's these decors with the USB and USB-C, and we're going to be installing them into this coach so that he'll be able to charge all his devices plus his laptop all in one receptacle. So let's install this. It's got this beautiful living area and all this seating here. The only issue they have with this coach is there is no outlet. So we're going to put one outlet right here, and I'll show you the front and the back that there are no outlets anywhere around. Here's the other side of the couch. No outlets here as well. So we're going to install an outlet right here on the wall for them. Another one on this end of the couch, right down here by the door. And then one more right here by the panel. So we're going to start with the easy outlet right here. We're going to put one outlet right here. We're getting power from the other side. There's an outlet on the other side of this wall. So we're just going to tap straight into that receptacle on the back side. And then we will tie everything in right here. Alright, so we're going to put this outlet at 32 to the top. So we're just going to mark that down to 32. And then center of this little wall. See, it's way off. It's right here. And then we're just going to use a blue cut-in box. Going to put a blue cut-in box in right here at our line. Make sure it's level. And then we're going to trace the box outline, and then we'll cut that out with our saw. Show you that we have it all leveled up. Retrace the box, and now we're going to cut it out. Alright, so now that we have our box outlined there, we're just going to cut the trace out, and then we'll run a wire from here to the back side, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Now that we got it all cut out, we can run our wire. So we're just going to run a wire from here to here, and we'll do that next. Okay, now that we have the wire ran through here, we're just going to knock out the little hole on top here, run the wire through, set the box, and then we'll wire this receptacle in. So now that we have the wire and the box in, we're going to install this nice looking decor receptacle with the USB-C and USB, and we'll have it here in a second. We're going to first peel back the wire. We're going to shave it. Remove all the tape, all the paper, and then we're going to put the plug in. Remember, when you're doing electrical, that all the power is turned off, and we did that earlier. So always turn the power off at the breaker, and then mark it sometimes. So like if someone's coming out and they didn't know you're working on the electrical, they don't turn it on behind you, and you end up getting a good little shock. So we're attaching the ground right now, and then we're going to put in the power wire and then the neutral. So the power is always this gold color wire, and the neutral is this silver one. Too low. And that's what it looks like. It just completely installed. Got the cover on, plates in. Straighten that up a little more. So this is where we're tying in for the plug on the wall. We're getting the power from the back side of the wall. We're just tying these two in. Just slides right in. So we're just going to push the box in, tie the two wires in, and then button this plug up, and this will be the one that's just powering this one right here. Let's be honest, RV outlets are far and few between. Try to power all of our devices, phones, tablets, and laptops, creating a mess of cables and leaves us constantly swapping things out. That's where these awesome outlets are going to come in handy. Not only do they offer a standard plug, but they also offer the built-in USB and USB-C ports with a whopping 25 watts of power. This means the fast charging for all your devices, no more adapters and no more clutter, and a clean and more organized living space. I was at my sister's house bathroom, like we were all taking showers, and it just overflowed and flooded everywhere. And she's like, oh no, it flooded again. I was like, how long has it been doing this? She's all, it's been doing this for a while now. She has cast iron pipes in her house, and so they're like arteries. They'll start clogging up and over time just close, right? So I remodeled a whole entire bathroom while I was there for 2 weeks and fixed it all for her. And this is what it looks like after everything's installed. You got the new outlet here, and that one ties into the new one that we put in here with the USBs. So we just turned the power back on, and you can see that we have it all connected correctly. We'll put in a USB-C or USB and see if those are charging as well. Okay, so now we're going to see if the USB-C will work in this brand new outlet we just installed. And as you can see there, it says it's charging. So that works perfect.